Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more future videos like this. And also share this video with your friends.
Is there any limit on the size of a serialized object? Yes, it is limited by the amount of memory your JVM can allocate to the creation and maintenance of your object. As for writing it out to disk, it is limited by the maximum file size of underlying OS. Linux, as an example, has a 2 GB limit on one file. How do I prevent deserialization process creating another instance of a singleton class? Use read-resolve method to return the same instance of a class rather than creating a new instance. Is constructor of parent class called during deserialization process of child class? If superclass implements serializable, constructor is not called, while if the superclass doesn't implement serializable, constructor is called during deserialization process of child class. Is the constructor invoked when a Java object is deserialized? If the class implements serializable, the constructor is not called during deserialization process. However, if the class implements externalizable, the constructor is called during deserialization process. What is the value of transient variable after deserialization? It will be set to its default value. For example, an int transient variable will be set to 0. Does having serial version UID variable improve Java serialization performance? Declaring a serial version UID field in a Java class saves CPU time the first time the JVM process serializes a given class. However, the performance gain is not very significant. In case when you have not declared the serial version UID, its value is computed by JVM once and subsequently kept in a soft cache for future use. How do I serialize a collection in Java? All standard implementations of collections like list, set, and map interface already implement java.io.serializable. However, ensure all the objects added in collection are serializable as well. What is transient variable in Java? Transient variables are not included in the serialization and are not the part of object serialized state. A transient variable can be created by specifying transient keyword. Which variables are not serialized during Java serialization? Static and transient variables cannot be serialized. List few alternatives to Java serialization. Saving object state to database using ORM tools, XML-based data transfer, and JSON data transfer. Do primitive data types involve in serialization? Yes, all the primitive data types are part of serialization. What happens when a class does not define serial version UID in Java? If the serial version UID is not defined, then after any modification made in class, we won't be able to deserialize existing objects for same class, because serial version UID generated by Java compiler for the modified class will be different from the old serialized object. This serialization process will fail by throwing java.io.invalid class exception. How to generate a serial version UID in Java? There are 3 ways to create a serial version UID value. By using serialver command bundled with JDK, pass the serializable class name as command parameter to get its version identifier. Second, by using Eclipse IDE, hover at the class and from the context menu, choose Add Default Serial Version ID or Add Generated Serial Version UID. Third, assigning your own value and postfix with L, private static final long serial version UID equals 19L semicolon. How to create a serializable class in Java. Implement java.io.serializable interface in the Java class, and JVM will allow to serialize its objects in default serialization format. What is serial version UID in Java? Every time an object is serialized, the Java serialization mechanism automatically computes a hash value called as serial version UID. Objects stream classes compute serial version UID method passes the class name, sorted member names, modifiers, and interfaces to the secure hash algorithm, which returns a hash value. The serial version UID is also called as SUID. What happens when one of the members of the class does not implement serializable interface? At runtime, not serializable exception is thrown. When try to serialize the class when one of the members does not implement serializable interface. Is externalizable a marker interface in Java? No. It has two methods, readExternal and writeExternal, to be implemented. Is serializable a marker interface in Java? Yes, serializable a marker interface in Java, but it has no methods. Why do we need externalizable interface? Externalizable interface allows us to control serialization mechanism, which may help improve application performance. What is serialization in Java? Java serialization is the process by which Java objects are serialized by storing objects state into a file with extension .ser. Storing objects state from that file is called deserialization. Object serialization converts Java object into a binary format which can be persisted to disk or sent over a network to other JVM. Why static variables are not serialized in Java? The static variables are class level variables and are not the part of the object state, so they are not saved as a part of serialized object. Which variables are not serialized during Java serialization? Static and transient variables cannot be serialized. Can a serialized object be transmitted through network? Yes, a serialized object can be transmitted via the network as Java serialized object remains in a form of bytes. Serialized objects can also be stored in disk or database as blob. How to prevent a child class from being serialized when its parent class already implements serializable interface? When the parent implements serializable, then the child class also be serializable although it doesn't implement serializable interface. As a workaround, implement writeObject and readObject method in the child class and throw not serializable exception from those methods. What are the compatible and incompatible changes in Java serialization mechanism? Adding new field or method is a compatible change, and changing class hierarchy or unimplementing serializable interface are non-compatible changes. Do we need to implement any method when using serializable interface? No, serializable interface is a marker interface. When to use serializable and externalizable? Use of transient keyword enables selective attribute serialization. However, use of externalizable interface can be really effective in some cases when you have to serialize only some dynamically selected attributes of a large object.
Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more future videos like this. And also share this video with your friends.